gentlemen, welcome back. Episode number 9, Behind the Counter with Nick Allen. I know what you're thinking. Springtime is quickly fading and summertime is quickly upon us. Well, that's fine. That's great. That's dandy. But we've got some work to do outside. Now, in order to get that work done, maybe we want to get it done a little quicker, a little easier. If only we had the right tool for the job. We do have the right tool for the job. And it's tool time, baby. What tools are we talking about? We're talking about Milwaukee tool. Milwaukee has the solution for you across the board, no matter what job you need to do. Trimming, pruning, limb cutting. Well, I'm telling you right now that you've mowed at your yard and it looks absolutely spectacular. However, you've got some grass growing up around the edges. Let's trim that grass. I'm telling you right now, we've got a little trimmer action for you. That's right, it's M18. It's fuel. It is a beautiful contraption. From beginning to end, it's got about an hour-long run time. No cord, no gas. You don't need that. Charge your battery, make it run. Now, ladies and gentlemen, while you're trimming around your trees, oh, did you just hit your head on a limb? Well, we can solve that issue too. Let's talk about the little pole saw action. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this little guy right here, that's right, the Milwaukee Pole Saw. So now the pole saw kit does come with a battery, charger, and also a little extra 3-foot extension in here. For those hard to reach limbs, you gotta get them on up. Get them back at the base. Those limbs along the driveway, around your yard, not a problem anymore. However, once you cut those limbs down, now they're on the ground. Well, I can tell you right now, we're gonna get rid of the whole tree. What do you say? Let's talk about the Milwaukee Chainsaw. All right, we're talking about the Milwaukee Chainsaw. Now I know what you're thinking. There's no possible way that this battery-powered chainsaw can compete with a gas chainsaw. Well, I'm telling you right now, you'd be absolutely incorrect. So, once you get this bad boy in your hand and you make some cuts, I'm telling you right now, there's a chance you may never even grab your gas-powered chainsaw ever again. So, limited time only. I've only got 4 of these bad boys in stock. The kit comes with a nice 12.0 battery. Comes with a chainsaw, the rapid charger, and limited time only, I'm throwing in a free 8.0 battery just for coming in, getting this kit. But, so here's the problem. We've made a mess. It's time to clean that mess up. If we only had a quick way, maybe we should grab a rake. No. Let's grab the Milwaukee Blower. All right, so we've done the mow, we've done the trimming, we have cut the limbs, we've cut the tree. All that mess. That blower, this is gonna come in handy. I'm telling you right now, 450 CFM, ooh, man, this bad boy can move some air. I'm telling you right now, not only will it clean up your mess, it will blow the hair clean off your head. Don't believe me? Watch. I'm telling you, this bad boy is powerful. All right, but I've got just a couple more things I want to hit real quick because I feel like you need them in your life. Let's do it. All right, so maybe there's a chance that those limbs that we needed to cut earlier, you don't need a pole saw, which is fine. You just need a little hatchet, battery-powered hatchet. No hacking, just chopping, cutting. Let's make it happen. This little bad boy right here can cut right through a limb. Battery-powered hatchet, you need it. All right, last but not least, this little guy right here, this little light, little M18 light. I'm telling you right now, we had a great response to the camper and RV video. Fantastic. So it was $69, but you guys loved it so much, I'm gonna take 10 bucks off. $59 while supplies last. Now, there's a chance it may last all summer long, but I sincerely doubt it. You need this light while you're sitting outside, chilling, relaxing, all cool by the fire all summer long. All right, I know that we've got a lot of work to be done outside, but it's fine because Milwaukee's gonna make it easier, faster, and better for you. So, before you do anything else, before you get started, come on in, see us here at the counter. See you soon.